He's actually inside.
Inside here. Whoa. Hello. Good boy. Thank you. Bye.
Always saying things you're regretting. Kinda back to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better.
It is 4 a.m. and I am off to Chennai to meet a 4-year-old fan. I'm gonna tell you all about it once I get inside the.
I still feel your ghost inside.
So I have entered the airport. Flight is at 5:10. I'm gonna be reaching Chennai at I think 8 o'clock. And I'm going to be straight away headed to the little kid, and we have something of a surprise for him. I think I forgot to mention that this is my first solo trip. First part was pretty seamless thanks to Air Asia. They were pretty helpful. Got my boarding pass now, so I'm going to be off to the next step. There's a PPE kit which is mandatory whenever you're traveling at most of the airlines. So if you're at the middle seat, you must wear the gown as well. And if you are anywhere else, like the window or the aisle, you have to wear the face shield. Our bus, and it is raining, would you believe it?
Push the pedal to the pavement. I was dreaming.
Those of you who've been watching my vlog since a very long time would know the relation I have with vlogging as well as rain. And the first time I'm doing a solo trip and I'm going to Chennai, it has to rain. So it's a poetic justice, I guess. So I am settled in over here. We've got an amazing seat. It's by the window and it is a 2A seat, which is the closest possible to the cockpit. I'm told this is the best seat, and thank you, Shrestha, for making this possible. A little surprise, which is there's no food in the flight. It's only pre-booked food due to the COVID situation. They're not serving any meals. So the only thing which I have to settle with is a bottle of water.
Say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson. Try again, try again. Oh yeah. Try again.
I've flown down to Chennai for a day just to have that omelette with them, and I'm going to be back to Kolkata again tonight. So this entire trip and the thousands of miles which we've traveled is only going to be to give him a surprise. This is Chennai. Exit A2, and here we have. Hi. Thank you. Welcome to Food Spa.
Thank you.
So we have Preetham here, who has been so kind enough to receive me from the airport itself. And Preetham is the father of the little champ, who we are going to be giving a surprise right now.
So I have been part of the Facebook group at least for 1.5 years,
Okay.
and then started following your vlogs.
Alright, that's great.
So it's an awesome place to get recommendations of good restaurants. I mean, not only in Calcutta, but in and around Calcutta as well. So I think you guys are doing a great job. So
Thank you.
more luck.
I'm told it's around a half-an-hour drive from the airport to where we'll be meeting the kid. And we're going to be taking him to a nearby restaurant, which Preetham says is recommended highly. And we're going to be having an omelette there, as promised. So, does the kid know that we're coming?
Actually, yes.
Okay, he's been told already. That's great. Then that'll help. Otherwise, I would have been a little nervous about the kind of response and the reaction which we'll get out of him, because he's too small to even perhaps realize what is happening. Hi.
Oh, he's actually inside.
Inside here. Whoa. Hello. Hi.
So Shabazz uncle? You wanted to meet him, na? Come.
Come out. He's pretty cool.
Say hello.
Hello.
Camera is hi. Hi.
These are chocolates for you. It's pretty smart, huh?
Say thank you.
You're welcome. Ready for breakfast? Ready for omelette? So we are headed off towards Marina Beach first, and then we'll head off to the omelette place. Guys, so right now we are at the famous Marina Beach, and we are here out with Rehan to go a little beach stroll. It's pretty hot over here, surprisingly, but yeah, we're in here nice and early. It's quite a walk on the sand. This is it, guys. Ready to swim? Rehan is ready to swim, but we'll definitely not go. That's for sure. Very windy, very breezy. Beautiful. क्या है इसके अंदर? आलू.
10 रुपया.
Aloo. Alright, so I'm having this famous. Apparently, it's a famous samosa by the beach.
How much?
Good, yeah. What's it made of?
I think potato.
एक वाटरमेलन दीजिए और एक मिक्स फ्रूट. Thank you.
And have it this way.
No, just have it this way. Like this, tilt your head and have it. No? I like it, you don't like it? This is really cool, guys. I like it.
Push the pedal to the
Finally, we have a coconut place. This is something I've been really craving for.
to the time and place we met. Oh, so
It's very sweet. It's pretty good. You like it? It's very sweet, no?
the best. I still feel ghosts inside my chest. No, we didn't
It's situated inside the Savera Hotel. It's a 4-star property at Chennai. So this is the main destination of the day. It's called the Brew Room Coffee Shop.
But if you want, can we try again? Try again. Oh yeah. Try again.
We are settled inside this super cute and very cozy and very classy place. It's called the Brew Room, and we are here to have the masala omelette. Could not have asked for a better kind of a setup, indoors as well as outdoors. But since it's so hot and we're coming straight from the beach, it was a no-brainer for us to settle inside in the cozy, air-conditioned. Are we ready for the omelette? What you've been waiting for since a long time? Not a long time, a very short time in fact. You like omelets? And we're going to be having it right now. No, we won't be having omelette. क्या हुआ हमरा? Camera shy. প্রচন্ড রকমের camera shy. Camera যখন থাকে না, then he talks a lot. He doesn't stop talking. The moment it is on, he just what? He does not talk on camera at all. কতটা বদমাশ দেখো. What? He will not talk. Is the masala omelette? Okay. Thank you. We've ordered 2 omelets. One is Rehan's choice, he's having a plain omelet, and one is my choice, which is the masala omelet. So here is it. Rehan, you want to start eating? Good, good. So he is a food blogger in the making for sure. Yeah, this is yours. Let me. Is she border? Wait. Look at Yeah. It's too big for you. Acha, Rehan, what I want you to do is, I want you to have one bite the way I eat it. You need to take one bite like this and then have it like this. Chok bond the word.
Let me try.
Good. I'll help you out. Chok bond the word. Good going. So this was with Rehan having an omelette of his choice. It was his wish to have an omelette, and I had promised him that I'm going to be having it with him. So I've traveled 1700 kilometers from Kolkata to Chennai to have this omelette with him. And I'm going to be going back after this with the next flight back to Kolkata, and it was definitely worth it. Thank you so much, Pritam, for making it possible, and thank you so much, Rehan. He's too busy eating. He doesn't care about what's happening. Done. I'm going to help you, Rich.
The best. I still feel ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson. But if you want, can we try?
Subscribe to Puchpa.
Oh yeah. Try again.
So that, guys, was my half-a-day experience at Chennai. A lot of you would be wondering what prompted me to do this. In the life of a YouTuber, you always go through a phase wherein you're not very confident. You kind of lose hope. You're a little demotivated about views, the videos which you make. It takes a lot of effort. So sometimes when you do not get the required subscribers or views in a particular video, you do feel a little demotivated. So it was similar to what I faced a couple of days back, which prompted me to make a post on Foodspa, our Facebook group. And just when I was upset, this little boy from Chennai, his dad rather, commented that I have a new 4-year-old fan who's asking me when I'm going to be having my next omelette from. So that was the moment which again got me back on track. I mean, that is how life is. Whenever you're down and out, you're disappointed about things, just then something else just props up and it picks you up. If you would want Foodspa to come and try out a particular dish which you feel is very famous at your city, let me know. And do participate, henceforth do share the videos, etc. with your friends and family. Engage in the comment section. And if you're doing that, if you're sharing the videos, if you are being active, then definitely you stand a chance of hosting Foodspa in your city, trying out your favorite dish, and we'll be making an exclusive vlog on the same. So this is Foodspa wrapping up from the Chennai airport. Until next time, cheers. Returning to Kolkata, and we've got another window seat plus some food items. And yeah, I'd like to mention Chandrama as well as Disha for making this possible. You guys didn't have to do this, but yeah, I insisted on the seat that was required, but the food was not at all required. But yes, thank you guys. We've landed in Calcutta and I've been given this very cute Indigo Passport Asian Adventure by the crew of this particular aircraft. This has this cute message. Right, so this needs to be filled up first. Another cute message from the crew. Says, dear Mr. Zaman, thank you for flying with Indigo. It was a lovely experience having you on board.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए सभी यात्रियों से निवेदन है कि वे अन्य यात्रियों से पर्याप्त दूरी बनाए रखें। धन्यवाद।
I had a pretty good flight with Indigo. The aircraft was also pretty good. It was clean, it was well taken care of, it was well maintained. So yeah, safe and sound back home.